Introducing the REMOVU K1, an all-in-one 4K camera stabilizer for handheld videography. The K1 is lightweight, portable, and extremely easy to use. Simply turn K1 on and you're ready to go. K1 can shoot stunning 4K video, and it can also capture super slow motion in full HD. The K1 allows you to live preview what the camera sees. You can also play back your recorded videos and photos instantly. Capture beautiful scenery with the K1's 101-degree field of view lens, or get up close for those selfie shots with K1's 12-inch focal point. K1 also takes high-quality 12-megapixel photos and creates spectacular 4K motion time-lapse videos. The 4-way joystick allows you to control the camera's position, or use the trigger on the back of the hand grip to switch to pan mode, follow mode, or selfie mode. The K1 Smart Battery allows you to record video and take pictures for up to 4 hours on a single charge. The K1 Smart Battery can be recharged using a micro USB cable and any power source. The K1 mobile app for iOS and Android allows you to control the K1 remotely. And you can share your videos and photos instantly on social media. Life is a beautiful thing. Capture it with the REMOVU K1.
My name is Steve, and I am a travel blogger. When I travel, I like to keep things light and use my iPhone to capture moments. And this is the last thing I want to see. With videos, music, applications, and games, things add up quickly, and unfortunately, storage costs money. That's not all. I have to sort out the contents, use iTunes to backup, sit for hours and hope it doesn't stop. Iodyne is a simple solution that adds extra storage to my phone. Magnetically snap it on the back of the case and twist 15 degrees to lock it. Awesome! Let's see what I can do with Iodyne for the whole day. 10 a.m. Times Square is full of excitement. Look at all these mascots and tourists taking pictures. Everyone is taking pictures. It feels like a competition. 2 p.m. Got in a taxi, sat in traffic, came to Bryant Park, took pictures. More pictures, and even more pictures. No need to delete or transfer it just yet. 5 p.m. Came to the subway station, listened to a live jam, but there's no reception on the subway. Not my problem. I have all my music on Iodyne. 7 p.m. Went to a famous restaurant, 5 stars for the good food, took even more pictures, interview with an owner.
What you got over there? Wow, what the hell is this? Where did you get this?
Idime is ready for mass production and started pre-sales on Kickstarter. 9 p.m. Came back to the hotel room. Time to check out what I got today. Transferred all my footage to my laptop. With Iodyne USB holder, file transfer is easier and faster. Simply drag and drop files in and out of Iodyne. Yes, it's that easy. It also comes with a lightning holder, which I can stick to the bottom of my phone. I totally forgot about my girlfriend. Gotta go. So do more with Iodyne.
(1977). Personal computer manufacturers were founded. The PC business was about to grow big, really big, but bigger isn't always better. Meet Ockel, the company that created the first complete Windows 10 PC that fits into your pocket. As light and small as a smartphone, yet as powerful as a desktop PC. It's fast, it's incredibly easy to use, and it's now available in 2 editions. Hi, my name is Douwe. I am part of the Ockel team and I'm very proud to introduce our Windows 10 Pocket PCs to you. The Ockel Series B Black Cherry is equipped with the most advanced technologies available, such as a powerful Intel processor, 4 GB of RAM and a first-class Wi-Fi chipset to give you the best performance possible. Passive heatsinks make our Pocket PCs 100% silent as they don't require a fan for cooling. The size and weight of our Pocket PCs are close to the latest Apple and Samsung Galaxy smartphones. You hardly realize you're carrying a complete computer with you. You can use the Series B Black Cherry wherever you want. All you need is an HDMI screen and an input device like a mouse or keyboard. The millions of Windows 10 applications take care of everything else. Whether you like to watch a movie, surf the web or have to work, our Pocket PCs handle it all.